In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to inject code into Squarespace 7.0, and we'll do it in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're enhancing your website with custom scripts or simply adding HTML elements that Squarespace doesn't support natively, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can follow along easily. So let's dive right in. First, let's begin by logging into your Squarespace account. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Squarespace website where you'll find the login option. Enter your credentials to access your site management dashboard. If you aren't already signed in, this is a great time to grab a coffee as it might take a few moments. Once logged in, the next thing you'll want to do is navigate to your website section. You'll find the website tab within the main navigation area. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a comprehensive overview of your website's structure and content. From there, move over to the pages. Clicking on pages will show you a list of all the current pages on your website. Now pick the page where you want to inject your code. Hover over the page name and you'll see a little gear icon, which is the settings option. Click on that gear icon to bring up the page settings. Inside the settings, look toward the bottom of the menu where you will find an option labeled Advanced. Click on Advanced. This is where the magic happens. You're now in the right place to add custom code. In the advanced settings, you'll see a field specifically for injecting code. This is typically labeled as page header code injection or something similar. Now, it's time to paste your valid HTML or scripts into this field. Be sure your code is clean and error-free to avoid issues on your page. It can be styles, external scripts, or tracking codes as long as they are compliant with Squarespace's guidelines. Take a moment to double-check your syntax before proceeding. After pasting the code, you'll want to close this window. Look for a close button, usually located at the bottom of the window, and click on it. Be sure everything is good to go because clicking close doesn't mean your work is saved yet. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. In the upper left corner, you should see a save button. Make sure to click it. This ensures all your hard work is preserved and the injected code is now part of your live website. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to inject code into Squarespace 7.0. Feel free to give it a try and explore the possibilities of enhancing your site even further. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy customizing.